In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Craigslist. Whether you're more comfortable in a language other than English, or perhaps you're simply looking to practice a new language, changing the default language on Craigslist is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. When you arrive at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited before. The main page is where you can find a wide array of categories from housing to jobs and much more. Now look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see that the default language is typically set to English. This is a common setup, but it can be adjusted with just a few clicks. Next, go ahead and click on where it says English. This is the button that allows you to change the language on the site. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing you a variety of languages to choose from. This menu is designed to cater to a diverse audience, so you should find the language that suits you best. Take a moment to scroll through and locate your preferred language. Once you've found the language you'd like to switch to, simply click on it. Craigslist is designed to automatically save your selection, so there's no need to worry about additional confirmation steps. The page will refresh, and you'll notice that all the text has been translated into your chosen language. This feature allows for a seamless browsing experience, making it easier for you to navigate the site. It's important to note that changing the language on Craigslist affects only the interface and navigation text. The listings themselves will remain in the language they were originally posted in, as these are created by individual users. This means if a listing was posted in English, it will stay in English even if your interface language is set to Spanish, for example. And that's all there is to it. Now you can comfortably browse Craigslist in a language that feels right for you. This simple customization can enhance your user experience and make interacting with the site much more enjoyable. If you ever want to switch back to English or try out another language, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.